Hello everyone, before I start this video, I would just like to give a huge thank you to Blue Lightning LPS for collabing with me. They were the voice of Matilda in this film. Please subscribe to her channel. She is awesome and makes amazing videos and is way more consistent than I am with LPS videos. But yeah, let's get on to the video. Hey Emmy, how are you doing today? Hey Thomas, I'm doing alright. As you can see, I'm eating, so. Yeah, that's good. Really good. Are you off to work? Yeah, I am, but, Emmy, I'm bringing a date here tonight. Oh. Yeah, and, just wanted to let you know we're taking over the kitchen. So what, like I can't go in the kitchen? No. Just, it'll be occupied. Alright. What about your food? I'm not hungry anymore.
I need you to be mad for it was. When it's done, we'll both be free. Oh, I have to tell you about Madeline now. Right there. We stood there and I kissed her for the last time. And she said if you were with me, you'll know that I loved you and wanted to keep on loving you. And I said I won't lose you. But I did. And then she turned. Into the church.
What a very lovely home.
Oh, thank you. Please, come in. Here's where we'll be eating.
Oh wow, you already cooked dinner?
Yeah. I love cooking.
It looks delicious.
Why, thank you.
Oh, hi.
Matilda, this is Emmy, my roommate.
Very nice to meet you, Emmy.
What the tail is that thing on your head?
Oh, it's just an accessory for my fur.
Okay, well, hey, Emmy, we have a date to attend to. The cheese is getting cold. What, did you cook the cheese? That's really weird.
Yeah, that is actually kind of weird.
Just plain cooked cheese? What did you do? Add a cheese topper? Ugh, Emmy, just please leave us alone. Fine, you two have fun on your date. Right, let's get to eating.
The cheese is very, good. Although it would have been nice to have some meat or something on the side.
So sorry about that, at least you enjoyed the cheese. You know, I have this lovely cheesecake recipe I can give you. I really do love to cook and bake, and although this may not be the best thing I've ever made, it's definitely good, you know?
Yeah, sure. I don't bake or cook much, but I can try it out.
Or we can try it together. Hey, Emmy, what are you doing? Getting a drink. Oh, well, you know, I'd appreciate it if, you would refrain from, doing that again. Hey, you know, Matilda, he doesn't really like girls with blue eyes.
What?
Yeah, or blondes. He likes brunettes or, you know, better looking pets in general. Emmy, that's enough. Oh, and he also told me once that blonde fur looks like cheese. In fact, the one you're eating right now. Emmy.
You know, I think it's best that I leave. The tension here is not really good for me.
Emmy, you're ruining my date. I actually think it'd be better if you left too. Wait, no, please don't go. We can have a lovely dessert. Just you and me, Matilda. No Emmy around.
Well, since you two are roommates, it's clear to me that Emmy wants to stay around. And that's fine, I guess. But she's really rude. If you excuse me, I have better things to do than eat cheese and listen to this.
Wait, please, Matilda. You ruined everything. Oh, did I? Why do you have to be this way? Why can't you be a normal pet? A normal pet that cleans up after themselves. A normal pet that eats.
Shut
a normal
up.
pet. Just shut up. I don't care. I'm done listening to this. Listening to you. Damn it, Emmy. Emmy, can I come in? Wait. Come in, Thomas. Hey. Hi. So, what are you doing? What does it look like I'm doing? Nothing. Bingo. Look, Emmy, I really wanted to apologize. Did I say you could go on my bed? Huh? No, sorry. I'll get off. No, you can stay. Oh, alright. Look, Emmy, I'm sorry for yelling at you, but you knew I had a date. You knew this was important to me. I've been on so many now, and none of them seem to work, but this one could have worked. Why can't you be a good friend to me? Remember when I said I wanted to be with you? Huh? Yeah, why? I said I wanted to be with you too. But then you said it wouldn't work, so it didn't happen. It's whatever. Emmy, you can leave now. I'm too busy doing nothing. Right. Okay. See you later. Have fun doing nothing. Emmy, hey, did you know it was 4 p.m.? So? Oh, you're drinking coffee. Isn't coffee a morning drink? Oh, yeah. Silly me, I'm just, reading. You gonna get something to eat? Well, I'm in the kitchen, so, food's here. Right, well, I can make you something. What would you like to eat? Can you just... Stop. Stop what? I make you food every day. No, just... Yeesh. Stop being so cute. Oh. Hey, Emmy. What? I quit my job today. Why the tail would you do something stupid like that? Come on. I want to show you something. What? Just come on. Over here, Emmy. Thomas, why is there a present here behind our house? Because I wanted to give it to you. Thomas, I don't deserve a present from you. I ruined your date, your chances with somebody special, and I messed all of that up. Oh, I don't care about the date. Here. Open the present. Thomas, please. Emmy, open it up. Fine, I will. Okay, a necklace? What am I supposed to do with that? Let me put it on you. Thomas, what is this? I was going to give that necklace to whatever girl made me happy. Happy to be around, happy to just, you know, be pets in love. That sounds so stupid. Yeah, I know. I knew you'd say that. But it seems I can't find anyone. So you gave it to me, a useless pet. No. I gave it to the pet that means the most to me. I gave it to the pet that's the reason I wake up every morning, who I think about every single day, every single minute, who's the reason I can fall asleep at night. Okay, Thomas, that just sounds really creepy. I know you think this won't work, but it already has been. We already live together, Emmy. But I can't do anything for you. All I do is sit around and mope, linger in my room and the kitchen, and I'll help you, Emmy. You mean so much to me. You can't help me. Even if I can, I'll always be here for you. So what do you say? Will you, Emmy, be my girlfriend? If it'll keep blonde short hairs out of the house, yes. No more blonde short hairs. No more blonde short hairs. Can I kiss you, Emmy? No, I'll kiss you. That was really nice. Hey, look. A storm cloud is about to rain. I love rainy weather. Why is that? You're a cat. I like how it's always the same. The same rain. It does what it needs to and then it goes away for a bit. It takes a break. But it always knows that many flowers and plants need it. Even though it doesn't understand it, it always comes back. That's so poetic. Would you write more, Emmy? Shut up. Oh, Emmy the poet, please, please, this is better than Romeo and Juliet. Stop, you're just gassing me up. No, I'm serious, that should be in a book, like a poem book at a poetry slam. But that was a little too soft for a poetry slam, maybe not a poetry slam. Yeah, whatever.